Hi, I'm Dan Minikheim with SEC Inspection Services, performing inspections in the Tampa Bay area for almost 20 years. Today I'm looking at an electrical panel, and it looks clean. I mean, sure, we got some dead lizards down here, but you know, that happens in an electrical panel. It looks really clean. But this home's built between, my rule of thumb is 65 to 75. It's late 60s, early 70s, but I really want to pay attention to whether or not it's aluminum branch wiring. Aluminum wiring is more likely to arc than copper. I don't see anything going on here. It doesn't seem like there's been any overheating or anything like that, but the insurance companies don't like it. In order to get insurance with most reasonably priced insurance companies, what they'll want is this to be remediated. And how you do that is you take this aluminum wire and you put it to, it's a Lumicon connector is one of the brand names of it. And what it does is you put it into the connector, and instead of aluminum to the bulk connector, that aluminum goes into a copper connector, and then a copper wire comes out here. So the connections are copper, and you just don't have to do it at the panel. You have to do it at every switch and every light fixture. Anything that's on a 15 or 20 amp service and there's a connection that's aluminum has to be remediated. That usually runs a couple $1,000 depending on the size of the home. But it's a good repair. It's fine. If it gets remediated, it should be fine. There should be no issues after that. Dan Minikheim, SEC Inspection Service. Check us out at secInspection.com.